Welcome to our podcast. This is Thursday, March 4th, 2021, and my name is Alicia Olyniuk with RE/MAX Performance Realty, and we are doing a real estate market report for some rural communities on the southeast side of the city. And we're going to talk about Dugald, Chene Grande Pointe, Lorette, and Landmark. Those are the properties or the areas communities that we're going to talk about, and what is happening on the real estate market with these neighborhoods. How many homes are on the market? What's come on in the last 7 days? How many of them are new builds? What's pending? What's sold? So basically going to start in Oakbank and Dugald right now. Currently in Dugald, there are zero of anything on the market right now. Serious shortage of homes for sale all over Manitoba. We are seeing Winnipeg starting to get a little more inventory to the market. Not where it should be, but it is at least trending in the right direction. But we go over into Oakbank, and there are 7 homes on the market right now. 3 of them which came on the market in the last 7 days. So again, like to see some inventory coming to the market. One of the 7 are new builds, and one of the 7 has already gone pending as well. And it actually had come on the market in the last 7 days, the one that's gone pending, and the 0 sold. So basically you've got 5 residential resale homes available right now in Oakbank, nothing in Dugald. Serious shortage of homes, and we'll talk about that more towards the end of the podcast. Next, we're going to head over to Chene and Grande Pointe. Also, numbers very low in that area. Between the 2 towns, there's 3 on MLS. 1 came to market in the last 7 days, and that one actually sold. That was in the Grande Pointe area. There is 1 new build, and that one is actually pending, also in the Grande Pointe area. So there is nothing available in the Grande Pointe area, and 1 on the market in Chene. Again, just saying it after every time, low numbers. Over into Landmark, 3 on the market for the MLS, 0 that came to market in the last 7 days, and all 3 of them are new builds. So there is nothing for residential resale homes available in Landmark. 0 pending, 0 sold in the last 7 days. Over into Lorette, they are showing 12 homes available on MLS. 3 came to market in the last 7 days. And of the 12, half of them are new builds, and 1 has gone pending. So a very low number in Lorette as well. So what is driving this? Record low interest rates is going to be the first thing that is driving it. People are trading up with their houses, going into something a little bit bigger or whatnot, and ending up with a lower payment. The second part of it is people have been working from home. They need the office space. Kids have been at home, being homeschooled, and everybody just being on top of each other, and people wanting more space. The next driving factor for the rural communities is a lot of people in Winnipeg, again, working from home. So all of a sudden, a commute time isn't important to them anymore. Maybe they're only going to be going into the office in the future once a week. So they don't mind driving, 20 minutes, a half hour, 45 minutes into work. So we're seeing a spike in all of the rural communities for people moving from Winnipeg out into those areas. Like I was saying, though, not enough inventory. So if you or anybody you know is thinking about selling, have them get in contact with a realtor, have them get in contact with Alicia or I, and we can tell you how we can walk you through this process and safely sell your home during COVID and get you top dollar for it. Next thing is, maybe you're curious, what is your home worth now as market values have been going up with all the multiple offers? Be happy to do a market evaluation for you and or anything like that. If there's any real estate related content you'd like to hear on our podcast, let us know. And hey, if you're enjoying what you're listening to, give us some love and like us on your favorite podcast channel, whatever you're listening to us on. Want to thank you for listening, and the Landmark, Lorette, Chene Grande Pointe, Oakbank and Dugald area, we will put another podcast on again next Thursday, and we'll talk to you then, whether you like it or not. Have yourselves a great week.